The video opens with a slow rise of orchestral music as the camera glides across the glittering skyline. A golden tower stands like a jewel among the city lights. The host enters frame, whispering with excitement. So, I'm standing in front of one of the most exclusive 7-star hotels on the planet. This place is famous for luxury, privacy, and a mysterious floor that isn't listed anywhere. Today, we're going to break the rules just a bit. Because I managed to get a hint, a rumor, a tiny little piece of insider info about a secret VIP floor that nobody talks about publicly. This floor is supposedly reserved for billionaires, royalty, and guests who don't like their names showing up anywhere, not even in the hotel's own system. And the craziest part? There's no official record that it even exists. Dramatic pause. But we're going to try to find it. Cut to the host walking through the hotel entrance as massive glass doors slide open silently. Chandeliers sparkle overhead. Alright, step 1. Blend in. Look like you belong. Because if I start acting suspicious, I'm pretty sure I'll get escorted out politely, but very quickly. The host glances around. Everything in this lobby is designed to make you feel poor. I mean, look at this fountain. It's literally taller than me and made of some kind of imported stone. Also, I'm 90% sure that flower arrangement costs more than my monthly rent. The host approaches the elevators. Okay, so here's the part that gets interesting. The hotel has 45 official floors. But some staff members online, who obviously didn't use their real names, claim there's an additional locked level that only appears when you press a certain button combination. And listen, I know this sounds like some Mission Impossible, James Bond type nonsense, but I'm telling you right now, I have nothing to lose. The host enters the elevator and waits until the door shuts. Alright. The code. I'm not saying where I got it, but I promise you it wasn't from a YouTube tutorial. The host presses a sequence. 12, 21. Hold the close door button. Then 44. The elevator hums. A tiny glitch flickers on the display. Oh, did you see that? A number appears for a split second. A floor above the regular top floor. The host grins nervously. Okay, either we just hacked an elevator or this hotel actually has something to hide. The elevator begins moving upward. If this thing suddenly drops, I swear I'm haunting this hotel forever. Soft tension building music plays. So, according to the rumor, the secret floor was built specifically for people who remove entire hotel wings for privacy. Like, imagine needing an entire floor just so nobody takes a photo of you eating breakfast. Must be nice. The elevator stops. A soft chime echoes like a whisper. The doors open quietly to reveal a dim, golden-lit hallway. Plush carpets, no signage, and air that somehow smells like money. The host steps out slowly. Okay, this is not like the regular floors. It's silent. This doesn't even feel like a hotel. It feels like a high-end private residence. The camera pans across walls decorated with enormous framed art pieces. These paintings look original. I swear that looks like a legit gallery piece. And apparently they change all the artwork every month specifically for VIP guests so they never see the same thing twice. The host touches the wall. Do you hear that? Exactly. Nothing. These walls are soundproof. I read that guests on this floor can throw full concerts and people on the regular floors wouldn't hear a thing. This is next level privacy. The host approaches a door with no room number. It's slightly ajar, a warm light slipping through. Okay. I shouldn't do this. The host looks into the camera. We're doing it. The door opens silently. Inside is an enormous suite with 30-foot ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the ocean, and a living area that looks like a billionaire's designer dream. What is this? This isn't a room. This is a mansion stacked on top of a hotel. The camera sweeps across a private bar stocked with bottles that look like they cost more than a used car. This bar is full of rare spirits. Most of these are probably older than the entire internet. The host walks toward a control panel embedded into a marble wall. Oh my, look at this. You can change everything from here. Lighting themes, temperature, music style, even the scent of the suite. And check this out. The host taps a command and the giant glass windows instantly frost over. Instant privacy. No paparazzi drones. No curious guests. Just peace. Cut to a massive bedroom with a king-size bed floating on a platform of underlighting. This bed looks like it hugs your soul when you sleep. There's also a private spa room with massage tables, aromatherapy stations, and a walk-in rain shower big enough for a football team. Wait, look at this. There's a door leading to a private hallway. The host opens it to reveal a staff-only corridor connected to the suite. No way. They literally have staff entrances directly into the VIP suites, so guests don't ever have to interact with the outside world. If you live here, you could survive for months without stepping outside. Further down the corridor is a small security room with screens showing different angles of the VIP floor hallways. Elevators, arrival zones. This must be the private monitoring suite for high-profile guests. Everything here is designed for safety. Look at that real-time arrival tracking. It probably tells staff when a VIP is on their way so they can prepare the suite exactly how the guest likes it. Imagine your room being personalized before you even step inside. Suddenly, footsteps echo in the distance. The host looks toward the sound. Someone's coming. The camera shakes slightly as the host walks quickly but quietly back toward the elevator. Nope. I've seen enough movies to know this is when things go very wrong. Let's go. The host enters the elevator. The door closes just as two silhouettes appear at the far end of the hallway. The elevator descends. Oh my god. That was too close. If they caught me up there, I'm pretty sure they would have politely escorted me out the building and maybe erased my memory Men in Black style. The elevator opens into the lobby again. The host takes a deep breath. Okay, that was insane. The level of luxury on that floor is beyond anything I've ever seen in my life. I understand now why they don't advertise it. It's not for regular millionaires. This is for people who live in a completely different universe. The host walks outside the hotel as the sun begins to set. And honestly, I don't think the world is supposed to see that floor. But you did. We did. And that's why I love making these videos, because there is always something hidden. Something strange, something secret that most people will never experience. The host grins at the camera. If you want me to explore more forbidden places or find more hidden hotel floors, smash that like button until the algorithm wakes up. Subscribe if you love mystery and adventure. And comment, take me to the next secret spot, because trust me, the next one is even crazier. The video ends with dramatic music and a final shot of the mysterious tower glimmering in the night. Until next time, stay curious.